Hello learning leaders. In my previous videos, I shared about icebreaker, I shared about energizer and how to engage with your learner and the participants. In this video, I'll be sharing with you that how to bring and how to create that aha moment in your session. And this is also called as a popcorn moment, and some people also call this as a wow moment. So remember here one important tagline that your learners did not remember how much they have learned. They always remember how much they enjoyed into your session, and this is called the learning by fun. Always associate your learning, important learnings in the session or the topic with some activity so that your customer remembers this. And this is one of the most important methodology how you can bring a long-term impact in the mind of the customer. So when I say about long-term impact, it means that your learning, whatever you imparted to the customer, how long they remain with that learning. And that learning, what is the age of that learning? So are they really remembering after 24 hours? Are they really remembering those learnings after 1 week or maybe for 1 month? So if you really wanted to create a long-lasting effect in the mind of the customer, remember to create most and more aha moments. So whenever you are designing, as per instructional design says, that whenever you are designing your session and whenever you are planning for the session, and that is called your learning plan, what you create to meet your learning objective for that particular topic, remember here to bring in that aha moment so that your participants or your learners remember those learnings for a longer period of time. And that's why, which happens in most of the very good trainers, after people are coming out from the session, they remember the activities, they remember the icebreakers, they remember the energizers what you've done. So these energizers, activities or the icebreakers should always associated with the main topic or the subject or the learning which you really wanted to impart. And what is the ultimate objective of this learning should get implemented and converted into the behavior of the customer, and which should really impact on the business. So friends, learning can really bring a transformational change in the overall organizational scenario. And these business leaders should really feel the impact and the effect of your training, what you conduct into the training session. So either you are conducting a virtual session or the session for face-to-face, remember to bring this aha moment or popcorn moment into your session. In the next video, I will be sharing with you that what are the popcorn moments, few important activities you will do that will give that aha, that feel to all the learners and the participants. Wish you all the best.